all that parents want for children is top-notch health at all times, protection from diseases, and strong immunity. However, in today's fast-paced, sedentary lifestyle, climate change, and contaminated food, it becomes difficult for parents to gift their children the gift of health. This is when Swarna Prashan comes in as a saving grace. Backed by the science of life, Ayurveda, it focuses on improving children's immunity and helping them naturally grow into an healthy, intelligent, and strong individual. Let's understand what is Swarna Prashan. Swarna Prashan translates into consumption of gold, as Swarna means gold and Prashan is the act of consumption or intake. It is one of the Shodasha Sanskaras, which holds significance in Ayurveda as the 16 rites of passage of a human being from cradle to grave. Swarna Prashan is a natural and tested method that has been practiced for thousands of years. The Sahitas mentioned that of the benefits of Swarna Prashan arise from the quick assimilation and absorption of gold nanoparticles. Research shows that nanoparticles bypass digestion and are directly absorbed in the bloodstream, making them highly effective and safe. Referred to as the developing stage, children between the ages of 0 to 15 years can take Swarna Prashan, as this age group has the capacity to build immunity against infections and diseases. What are some of the benefits of Swarna Prashan? Packed with benefits and only benefits, Swarna Prashan comprises the following benefits. First, increased immunity and development of resistance against infections that commonly affect children, preventing them from falling sick often. Second, it induces body growth, including weight and height, increasing physical strength, boosting stamina and power for physical activities. Third, besides physical benefits, Swarna Prashan improves children's intellect, sharpness and power of analysis, even their grasping capacity and memory. Fourth, it improves digestion, stomach-related issues, and resolves gastric problems in children. Additionally, it also improves the appetite of children. Fifth, with Swarna Prashan, children's bodies can recover faster in case of illness. Hence, it develops a robust defense mechanism in children that acts as a shield of safety against diseases that often occur due to weather changes. Sixth, Swarna Prashan reduces aggressive behavior, irritability, and anxiety in children, aiding their early mental and physical developmental milestones. The classics enumerate that the ideal time to give your child Swarna Prashan is Pushya Nakshatra, which is one of the auspicious days that enhances the efficacy of Swarna Prashan. It happens to occur once every 28 days. This belief arises from the traditional view that the religious significance of Pushya Nakshatra is auspicious for administering any medication. Pushya Nakshatra is given immense importance in Ayurveda for the preparation of medicines as well as for the accumulation of herbs from the wild. Even though Ayurveda has not specified a defined method of administering Swarna Prashan, learned Ayurvedic professionals advise mixing Swarna Bhasma with Brahmi ghee and honey in unequal proportions. You must ensure that Brahmi ghee must be made from Desi cow's Bilona ghee. Swarna Prashan must be administered early in the morning on an empty stomach. With the advent of pollution and quickly spreading diseases, giving your children the gift of solid stamina and immunity is essential. Swarna Prashan is the ideal Ayurvedic immunization method that elevates children's physical and mental health.